Hi, my name is Solomon and I'm going to be explaining about the Higgs boson and why it's important for our existence under 2 minutes. Alright, so imagine you're in a ballroom, right? And in the center of that ballroom is the Higgs boson. He's a celebrity, super handsome guy, and being so handsome, he's emitting the special aura all around. And that special aura, it's known as the Higgs field. I'll explain more about it, but to understand it, let's also think that there are many fans and reporters in the same room. And well, they want to interact with them. They want to show them their love. They want to ask him questions. You feel me? So, all of them are just rushing to him. They want to interact with him. And as they are trying to interact with him, they're also interacting with the special aura, the Higgs field. It's invisible, it's all around the room, but they can't see it. Now, in this analogy, the fans, the reporters, they are the elementary particles. They are the electrons, the quarks, you name it, right? And as they're trying to interact with the Higgs field, they are receiving their mass. Let me explain. You see, as they're being attracted to the Higgs boson, they're also interacting with the Higgs field, thus giving them the mass that is required. Now you might have a question, well, why do some elementary particles have more mass while some don't? That's necessarily because the more they interact, the more they receive, the less they interact, the less mass they receive. And then you would have a question, well, what if they never had mass? Well, if they never had mass, they would have no structure. And if they have no structure, they would go around in the speed of light. Which is bad because all of us, the universe, is built on a set structure. And if that structure doesn't exist, we won't exist. And that is the Higgs boson under 2 minutes. Thank you.